I've got to keep this video really short, less than 5 minutes. So there'll be a lot of fast forwarding, skipping around sort of thing. Okay? So, I'll be back. Now, I went ahead and sanded just a bit of this sharp back edge. And I went ahead and glued the flat crystal, so to speak, down so we'd have a starting point, okay? So I'm going to leave a little bit of a gap just because I want to stack these. And please excuse the gnat. I'm sure it's not the same one, but they've been driving me crazy for about a week. Stop it, Lynn. Want it to be straight. Okay. So there, we've got 3 so far. Alright, now, I may not use all of these, but then again, I might. I have another another glue stick standing by. Another glue gun, I do have one of those too, but last one, let's see. I might use all of these actually. Okay, little gnat. You're about to get it. It's like a fly though. Trying to kill one is next to impossible. Okay. It's gonna be so cute. Okay. Make sure you're gluing the right side. Nope. I'd say a fly swatter, but even a fly swatter doesn't work on gnats. Okay, now with this glued down right there, that'll be adorable. Just right along that bottom edge. A little bit right on the mermaid tail. And now I am gluing it sort of towards the backish. No, that's not really a word, but we're going to use it. Oh, so cute. Okay, and the stones, these little gemstone things, I'm just going to place them where it sets it up as a phone holder as well. Okay. And I'll pop it down and shine my UV flashlight just till it sets up. Okay, here it is. Makes a great phone stand. You can sit and watch movies. It is a great phone stand as well. A Trinket Dish. Throw your bracelets, your rings. These points make great places to put your rings on the tip of the mermaid tail. It's really handy. Alright. Little girls love it. Looks great on a nightstand or on your bathroom counter. Fun, fun, fun. I hope everybody enjoyed watching this. Please like, share, and subscribe. Hit that hype button. Bye for now.